It's only a few days out from Christmas, and if you're scratching your head trying to find the right gift for the camera enthusiast or the action cam enthusiast in your family, well, don't despair, I am here to help. In this video, we've got 4 great ideas from the good people at HSU for awesome action camera stocking stuffers for this year, so let's get on with it. This video is brought to you by HSU. HSU have been making camera equipment and camera accessories since 2013. They've got a wide range of stuff to check out on their website, including tripods and action camera accessories and mounts. And if you click on the link at the bottom of the screen right now, when you go through the checkout, you'll save a nice little handy discount. So thanks to HSU for sponsoring this video and supplying the accessories that we're showing you here today in this video. All right, so the first accessory we're going to look at is one which is mainly aimed towards people who love filming when they're out riding on their push bikes or bicycles, even motorbikes, I guess you could use it as well. It's a very handy little device. It's aluminium alloy, it's waterproof and it's rust proof. And the really cool thing about it is it has a 360-degree option here. So you can actually put the camera in, say, facing forward, and you can actually turn this little dial to turn the camera a full 360 or 180 if you want to get different views. So say you want to film yourself cycling and then you want to say film the road, just easy peasy, just spin it around. Now it's got anti-slip kind of grips in here as well too, so when you attach it to part of your bike, it's not going to move around, which is a great feature. As I said, it's made of aluminium alloy. It does come with a handy hex little thing as well, a little hex tool as well. So when you put it onto your bike, you can actually slot this here into the top to tighten it like so. So it's not going to move around. And this comes in 2 different colors, or 3 colors. It comes in red and blue as well as the black. And this would make a great stocking stuffer for that action camera cyclist in your life. All right, next up, we've got this handy selfie stick from HSU. This is waterproof. It's also rust proof. It's got a very comfortable handle here as well, which is really kind of nice. Now it starts off around about 20 centimeters long in this length here, but you can extend this out, this selfie stick, to about 57 centimeters. And what you do is you stretch it out, and to make sure it doesn't kind of move around, you just got to turn the stick to tighten it into position. So there's, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, there's 4 different positions you can actually have that when you're out filming with your camera. So that's pretty cool. Now, it is waterproof, but it does not float. So if you are going to say use it when you're surfing in the water, just keep that in mind. That's why it's kind of handy. They've also included this little lanyard here with the kit as well. So that's a really, really cool option. But there's other stuff they've included as well as the thumb screw, which you definitely need. They've also included this handy little tripod mount. Now, as you can see, it's got a little 1/4-inch screw here on top. And all you need to do, say if you're filming with, say, maybe an action camera, which has the 1/4-inch screw mount on the bottom, slot this in here. And there you go. So now it's all good to go. You can screw that on and it's gonna be nice and secure. But wait, there's one more thing they've included as well. If you want to shoot with your cell phone or your smartphone, they've also included this handy accessory too, which has a couple of little 1/4-inch mounts, so you can actually screw that on quickly and simply, and then pop your smartphone in there and you are off and running. Now, also on the bottom as well, it has a 1/4-inch screw spot there as well too. So say you want to pop it on top of a normal tripod to get a bit more height, you can definitely use it with this little device. Now this comes in, by the way, this is super comfy, right? This comes in around about $35 here in Australia. So it's a good little donkey, a good little thing to take out and about with you. And because it's quite small and quite compact, you can easily put it into your pocket or a handbag or a backpack. That's a great little gift idea this year from HSU. All right, next up is this little donkey here. It's a magnetic mount for the most recent version of GoPro, the GoPro Hero 13. Now, it actually has on the bottom a 1/4-inch screw mount here as well. This is all kind of magnetic. Unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro Hero 13 to show you, but I can tell you this is definitely really well made. It's made of stainless steel. It has a little kind of fingers down the bottom, so you've got that option when you use it with your GoPro, and you can flip them up and use the little screw joint like I mentioned before. So this comes in around about $40 Australian. Like I said, it's only small, but if you have someone with a GoPro Hero 13, this is a great little gift idea. All right, the last one we're going to look at right now is this super handy carry case here from HSU. Now this is Very hard, very firm, very well made, and it's great for protecting your precious action camera and accessories. Now it's around about 25 centimeters long and a little about 17 or 18 centimeters deep and about 8 centimeters high. I put the exact dimensions on the bottom of the screen as well, so you can check that out. Now, when I open it up, by the way, it's well made. It's got a decent zip as well, right? One with decent teeth on it. When you open it up, it has some little pockets where you can actually store some of your accessories in here. It has this really handy kind of elasticized little pockets, which I like for putting in things like cords and cables and SD cards and stuff. And nice bit of felt there, and it has this weird little looks like a snake, but it's actually all part of this do-it-yourself hard case kit. So what it means is you can actually pop this little piece in here. There's actually 3 of these pieces, by the way, and this little strap is actually connects to like little Velcro pieces. There's about 15 of these in the kit. And then what you do is you then kind of pop it inside the case wherever you want to suit it, so you're not kind of restricted like you are with some action camera protection cases, and then you can actually pop it in to wherever it feels right for you and your equipment. So for example, you can put your camera in one side and some accessories in the other. So this is a really cool donkey. It's around about $50 here in Australia, which might sound a lot, but when you think about how much money you spend on your action camera and you want to make sure that your action cameras last as long as possible, and it's a great way to store stuff too. It also comes with a nice handy and even a little pretty lanyard as well. So that's another handy idea for your action camera enthusiast. So there you have it. That's 4 really cool ideas, or as stocking stuffers or gifts for the person in your family who is into action cameras. You've got the handy case. You've got the one for the cyclist. You've got the one for the person in your family who loves their GoPro Hero 13. And for that person who just can't take enough selfies of themselves, you've got this awesome little, super comfy little selfie stick. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to check out the link down below too, where you will get a nice little handy discount when you go through the HSU shop store or through the checkout if you use my little code. So definitely use that code to save yourself some money. We all want to save money, especially this time of year. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe buttons. And to learn more about action cameras and awesome accessories like these ones here, click on this video over here now.